Cock-a-doodle-doo, I'm a rooster. Wake up, friends, good morning to you. Hello, I am a hen. I cluck and peck all day. I give eggs for everyone. Come and learn with me. Moo moo, I am a cow. I give you milk, say it now. Baba, I am a sheep. I give you wool, soft to keep.
Gobble, gobble, I'm a turkey. Big and proud, oh so quirky.
I am a goat. Bleat, bleat, bleat. I love to jump. I'm really sweet. Neigh, neigh. I'm a horse. Strong and fast on every course. Quack, quack. I am a duck. I love water. Swim with luck. Honk, honk. I am a goose. Walk and swim. I'm on the loose. Hop, hop, I am a rabbit. I love carrots, it's my habit.
Woof, woof, I am a dog. Guard the farm, run and jog.
Meow, meow, I am a cat. Soft and clever, think of that. Hee-haw, I am a donkey. Work so hard, but still so funky. La la, I am a llama. Soft and gentle, bring no drama. I'm a deer, gentle and sweet, running fast on little feet. Cuckoo, I'm a pigeon, flying high with clear vision. Glub, glub, I am a fish. Swim around, splash and swish. I am an eagle, strong and high, flying freely in the sky. Slow and steady, I'm a tortoise. Walk with me, join the chorus. I am a swan, white and bright, swimming softly, full of light.